Hello and welcome to Shane Bar Shoe Repairs. We're taking a look at removing these tricky caps from these motocross boots. You're going to need a body hammer, decent thick screwdriver and your toe clips. Don't worry about Isabel, she's making a noise. Unvelcro this, watch out for the flap in there. Get this onto a last. Bigger and bushier the better. And get your hammer in the back of here. Just pull that up a bit, like that. Yes. Give it a little bit of a flatten back there. Grab a Vivid. This is the right hand boot. Right on it, because it's just much easier putting them back on the same one. Take that off there, watch out the last doesn't drop on your foot. Now hopefully all that jiggling around will make these easy to pull off. So we've probably gone, what, 30 seconds now, and we've almost got the first one off. So it shouldn't be a difficult or long-term thing. There we go. That's one of them off, and you're good to go. Yeah, and just put them back on, right and left, much easier. Maybe fresh screws in the bottom, PZ1, and then little screws, PZ1s again around the toe. You could use buttress nails if you really want to. Thanks for watching. That's how you get toe clips off. First thing to do is to remove the insole, because that just makes life easier. You're going to need a hammer, pinches, maybe this screwdriver for the top, and big body screwdriver for the bottom. Usually easiest to do the bottom first. Make sure that's open and this flap is not getting caught on there. Pop that down there. Zoom that forward to the front of the last like that. Get in here between the nails or screws on the bottom. Jam it in, good 10 mil or so, and then just lift it up a bit and it'll free up those little pins. A little bit more is good because it loosens the front as well. Don't bother keeping these is usually the rule. But in this case they're a bit weird looking, I might just keep them. Better safe than never. Give this a bit of a beating now. Not too much that you bend it out of shape, but hitting around here it'll jiggle up the side and up loose. Take that off there, being careful like the last one to come out on your foot. If you can, just go ahead now and grab those off like such. And some of them you'll get lucky, like that one we just did. Not quite. Otherwise, get in with a finer screwdriver. Really give it a bit of foot. This is a sheet metal stainless one, toe clip. Some of them are cast metal, which cracks. Jolly annoying. So now, get that one out of there. I'm pushing down so that I can get hold of those heads. I cut the head clean off it. And we've got two left, just to give us a challenge. So really pushing downwards on that so that I can get under the heads of those screws. And last but not least, I think I've saved the trickiest one for last, but look at that. Get that screwdriver in, see if you can lift it up. Off it came. So that one's the left hand boot. I know I'm pointing out the obvious there, but get a Vivid ideally, right on the back. Left, it's just easier lining them up later on. Now they can just go in the oven and you're done. But this job should take maybe a couple of minutes or so. If you're not getting them off in a couple of minutes each, you're doing it wrong. So have another think about how you're doing it. Thanks for watching, and that was how to get toe clips off.